Introducing inCharge 6. inCharge 6 allows you to charge and sync USB-C, Apple, and micro USB devices from any USB port. But it doesn't stop there. Since many laptops and power banks are moving to USB-C ports, inCharge 6 features also USB-C as input. Can't find a port around you? Just steal your friend's phone. inCharge 6 supports power transfer from one phone to another, to wireless earbuds, or any other device. Need more freedom? inCharge 6 Max gives you 5 feet of mobility. It's the perfect domestic and travel cable. We've experimented with countless materials in order to make inCharge 6 the most durable keyring cable ever. inCharge 6 faces numerous tests in our factory, but we prefer doing our own, just to be sure. Okay, maybe that was too much. inCharge 6 is already manufacturing, so you don't have to worry about those long crowdfunding waits. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past few years, we have successfully delivered 4 campaigns. Back us today and get your inCharge 6 at the lowest price it will ever be.
The future is now. Introducing the all-new VOLTA Spark, the revolutionary universal charging cable that the world has been waiting for. The VOLTA Spark features a multitude of features that will change the game forever. Forget fumbling around with a messy assortment of chargers and cords. The VOLTA Spark is a 100-watt USB-C PD magnetic cable that connects instantly to virtually any device. Using 2 perfectly aligned reversible magnets with 360-degree orientation at both ends, it delivers an immediate, powerful connection and allows you to simply attach the VOLTA Spark to multiple devices with no effort at all. Incorporating premium MagSafe-like technology, the VOLTA Spark detaches instantly in case of a trip or snag, saving you from an expensive repair bill. We all know time is precious. The VOLTA Spark provides the fastest charging technology available, outperforming the speeds of other USB-C cables on the market by up to 70%. And with VOLTA Spark OTG, you can transform your phone into a battery pack, ensuring you need never run out of power again. Whether it's an iPhone or a MacBook Pro, the Spark cord will fast charge every compatible device at full speed. Constructed with tangle-free, ultra-tough military-grade nylon and treated with our specialized anti-fray protection technology, the VOLTA Spark is 10 times stronger than any other cable. We are so confident that it will outlast any other cable, no matter what you do to it, that we provide a lifetime, no questions asked warranty, a promise that no other cable company can match. It's time to discard all the multiple chargers cluttering up your life. VOLTA Spark, the only charging cable you'll ever need.
Introducing CHARBY Sense, the world's smartest auto cutoff cable. It cuts off the power supply automatically when your battery's full to avoid prolonged charging, which actually shortens your battery life. With smart current sensing technology, CHARBY Sense accurately detects when your smartphone is fully charged and also tells you your charging speed through its smart LED indicator. CHARBY Sense features a charge booster mode, which allows you to charge your phone twice as fast. Also, it's built with high-grade copper wire for high-speed charging and data transfer. It's reinforced fibers throughout to make CHARBY Sense up to 3 times more durable than other generic cables available today. Overnight charging actually damages your battery, keeping it at a high capacity level throughout the whole night. Experts say avoid extreme battery levels. High temperature can degrade your battery, so don't leave your phone plugged in for too long. But come on, it's a hassle and inconvenient to always leave your phone uncharged when you can, isn't it? Well, that's why we created CHARBY Sense, to help you cut off the power supply completely when it's fully charged. So you can enjoy your sweet dreams all night without worrying about your phone battery. Haven't we all gone through these frustrating situations where our smartphone isn't plugged in properly? CHARBY Sense has a smart indicator so that you know when it's charging, so you'll never leave your phone uncharged again. Charging too slow on your laptop port? When you finish syncing, simply press the button on CHARBY Sense and it doubles your charging speed, so now you can charge your device in half the time. Never knowing if your smartphone is charging properly is frustrating. CHARBY Sense detects slow wall chargers and power banks, so you can switch to the better one you deserve. And it features a reversible end, so you'll always plug it in the right way every time. Also, it's 20% longer, so it has the extra length to reach you when you need it to. Finally, a better way to protect the battery life of all your devices, like power banks, speakers, and headphones. Anything powered by a USB port. CHARBY Sense is your ultimate cable solution. We're ready to bring CHARBY Sense to everyone. We just need you to help make it happen. Back our crowdfunding campaign so you can be one of the first to get an exclusive discount before the campaign ends. Enjoy a good night's sleep. Your battery will be ready when you are.
I love Apple and all the devices they create, but it can be a bit frustrating buying a brand new MacBook and not being able to connect your iPhone without purchasing an additional dongle or approved cable that only Apple sells. That is until now. Meet the Cascade Cables, the first third-party Apple MFI-approved Lightning to USB C cables. Hey Kickstarter, I'm Matt, the founder of Eastern Collective. Since 2012, I've been designing charging cables, helping thousands of people with great reviews. GQ magazine named our cables to the best stuff of the year list, while the Wall Street Journal called them tougher than the competitors. Even Casey Neistat's a fan. The Cascade Cables will feature Apple's brand new C94 chip, which enables fast charging up to 18 watts for compatible Apple devices via USB-C. This means you'll be able to charge your iPhone twice as fast using a Cascade cable and USB-C charger compared to what comes in the box with your iPhone. Be fully charged in record time. Plus, connect your iPhone directly to your MacBook dongle-free. Our ultra-slim connector easily fits most iPhone cases and side-by-side on your MacBook. The Cascade cables are also 2 times longer, measuring 6 feet long. Never have an outlet out of reach again. Our signature rugged woven design is built to withstand more bending, wear and tear, and remain tangle-free. Choose the colorway that matches your style from our best-selling designs. The C94 chip will be available and shipping from Apple in the coming months. Our initial order has been placed to kick off production as soon as possible. It's time to ditch the dongles and start charging your Apple devices faster. Become a backer today and be one of the first people to get your hands on the Cascade cables.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.